Right, about LUTs, so we just kill the subject. Last thing you need to know is that you can create LUTs too. You can adjust your, personalize your LUT and create LUT out of any clip. And also you can import LUTs that you've created, okay, in other projects that you would like to import. Okay, and now we're gonna see some examples of it. We're gonna see how we create LUTs and how do we import them or export them too. So that's what we're gonna see next, and that's gonna be the last thing of this color page. Okay, so creating LUTs is different than creating these shared nodes that we did. Remember that we right click here and we just add node. Okay, and we can add these shared nodes. Okay, or we can save as shared nodes or delete shared nodes too. But the LUT is different. For example, reveal selected LUT. This is what we can do. For example, if we are here, this is another feature. Right click, reveal selected, and it reveals you in here your LUT folders, the selected LUT. Okay, but now we're gonna see how to actually save one LUT. Okay, so to save a LUT, for example, this one that we applied all of these changes, or even this one, the one we applied all this parallel, but let's do this one that it was a bit cleaner. I'm gonna make maybe one more, just to lower down maybe this. Okay, just to see until what point I can go, more or less here. Okay, a bit down this. And also I'm gonna create even one more to just put the saturation, the contrast, the general contrast where I want it to be. And also kill these red things. Okay, so I'm just gonna adjust my tint a little bit and temperature more going to this blue. And saturation maybe a bit down because yeah, we wanna go for this style more or less. Okay, let's say we wanna just go for this. Okay, so I have all these now, yes. Okay, and I'm gonna create now a LUT. So what we should do is first open our timeline here. Make sure you have not only the clips, not only this timeline, okay, that you cannot do anything here, but also the clips, very important. You need these clips too here. We have these two options. Now we right click on the clip that we would like to create this LUT. Okay, so we right click here and we can generate LUT, okay, here. And we're gonna generate the 33 point cube, okay, which is the most universal compatible, okay, of format. Gonna work with Premiere probably too, and all these programs. Okay, so we're gonna save here. As we can see, we have already all of these folders that are, remember, the LUTs we saw. Okay, so we can make a new folder. We're gonna name it, we're gonna name it, personalize, or yeah, P LUTs, okay, which is gonna be our personalized LUTs. So we can put it with this small. So personalized LUTs, right? Save. We can change the name too. We can just name it Supply Nights, which was the name of this project. Supply Nights party scene. Okay, that's like the LUT of this scene. Okay, we save it, and that's it. We have it. Okay, where is it? Here. Supply Nights party scene. So that means that if now I wanna just this LUT, I wanna put it here in this image too. I just double click here, and you see I already applied the same color we had here, more or less. Okay, we would have to do because he's in the light, but if it was the change between this and this, would be cool too. Now this one, the same, okay, we can do the same. We can also import LUTs, okay. So for example, I go to DaVinci course clips now, which is another project, okay. And no, better than this project, I'm gonna go to my another project that maybe has more things, no? This one is the one I used to edit all these videos of all these courses. So let's go here, for example. Let's go, well, here, for example, we want this LUT, again, the one we did. And it's here. Just, I don't see really the notes. Where are they? Ah, here. So again, zoom in case you don't see. So you see, it has applied this LUT that I just created. Okay, so as you can see, this LUT is already saved in our, here in our LUT folder. Okay, we created a new folder and we just put this one. Okay, personalized LUTs and this one. Okay, which is the one we created of this other project. This one. Okay, this is the LUT. So all these nodes. Okay, so we just created a LUT out of our nodes. Another thing you can do, all of these folders, all of these LUTs, you have them. So you just press here, okay, reveal in Finder, and they appear here. So this you can save, send it to any place. This file here, okay, you can send it to any place. Okay, you just need to import it.